Hello, and welcome to this how-to video. I'm Vincent, and I will be your instructor for this session. Today, you will learn how to create a union between two datasets in Tableau. We will use two CSV from the Titanic Kaggle competition for this tutorial. You can download the file at Get, Tableau.Courses/Titanic Dataset. Save both files in a new folder. It will help you later with the exercise. If you want to master Tableau, subscribe to this channel, and let's do this together. Okay, let's get started. First step is to connect to a file. The process is easy. Open Tableau Desktop. Select Connect to CSV from the Tableau interface. Then select Titanic Test.csv from your directory and open it. Tableau allows you to preview what's inside the file. Let's have a quick look. On the left, you can see other files in the same folder. Select Titanic Train.csv and drag it to the right, below the other file. Congratulations! You are now able to create a union in Tableau. For more videos on how to master Tableau, subscribe to this channel.